The agent installation consists of 3 simple steps.
First, download the installation package to your Raspberry Pi. Then extract the archive and run the installation script using sudo. The script will install all required system libraries and download the agent code. This process may take some time, depending on your internet speed and the performance of the processor. Once the agent is downloaded and installed as a service, it starts immediately and can be accessed via port 8080. When the agent runs for the first time, it registers on a website and obtains a unique identifier. You will see this identifier right away on the agent's utility page. Next, log into the management console and register the agent in your account. Once the node is added, you can give it a descriptive, human-readable name. The node may be unavailable immediately after being added, since it installs the basic video packages during its first startup. When you click on the node, a connection is established and the configuration is downloaded. The node will ask for an access code, which is the same as the password for the agent's utility page. The connection is now established, and the agent has sent its configuration straight to your browser without any intermediate nodes. Everything is now ready to configure a simple video surveillance station. To do it quickly, we will use the Magic Wand feature. Choose the webcam setup wizard, then enter the video capture parameters. Turn on continuous recording and choose a directory where the video will be stored. Next, enable the motion detector. Turn on recording for motion events and choose the folder where those recordings will be saved. Click Save. That's it. The setup is complete. Now let's verify that the camera is working correctly. Great, the hand appeared. Next, let's take a look at the basic configuration that was created. We will create a dashboard and drag the components onto it. Drag the camera and the system monitor onto the dashboard. We will immediately configure the system monitor so that it reports the system status more frequently. Next, add the event manager to the dashboard. It contains 2 rules that switch the system between day and night modes according to the schedule. Next, go to the File Storages section and drag components for accessing continuous video recordings and the motion trigger recordings. Also, let's add the component that establishes a connection between the browser and the agent and configure the video stream quality and the maximum data transfer rate. Now we will test the motion detector. Right after setup, the system is in day mode with continuous recording enabled, and the switch time is set in the event manager. To test motion trigger recording, we will manually activate the night mode action. Let's move the hand into view again and see if it shows up in the motion event recordings. Something appeared, and it's our hand. Great. Everything is working perfectly. If you have any questions or encounter issues during installation or setup, feel free to ask in the comments.